Morning. It is a rainy morning. We're going to try to do an experiment and see if this works. Everybody advertises this product. It's called AT205 Reseal, fast acting resealer. I've got an older Mercedes S55. There are some old gaskets and as well as some other rubber parts that are around the valve cover that are leaking a little bit, drop onto the exhaust and produce a smell. I'm going to try to see if this product does what it's supposed to and reseals it. So we're going to open the engine, pour it into the engine oil. That's what it says to do right here, and see what it does. We'll show you after. To the car. It is a rainy morning. Let's see, open this thing. These things are a little hard to open. We cleaned a lot of it and it didn't come back a whole lot, but let's see. All you have to do for this, just open this up. So AMG S-Class 55. It's a S55 AMG, so 5.5 liter supercharged engine. Let's see if this stuff works. I'll give it a try. It's an older car, so that's why I'm willing to try with this one. I don't want to try with any of the newer ones. So we're just gonna pour the whole thing into there. And put it back. There we go. Clean that up. Throw this away. And we'll drive for a little while. Let me turn on the car. And then we'll go from there, see how this thing does. We'll take this cap off. We got to pick it up. Okay, let's go try this. Okay. Let's turn on the car, see how it sounds first of all. Sounds good. I'm sure it will take a little while to work, but we'll see. I just want to see on startup if it... Yeah, it still shouldn't do it, but let's see on startup if it blows out a lot of smoke or anything more than usual. About the same, I would say. That's all that initial 30 seconds of smoke comes out. And it's calm. Okay. We'll see how it does, and I'll let you know after. We're about to go on a long drive. We'll tell you after. Bye-bye.